Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds BELKIN SoundForm ClearFit with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. If you see Bluetooth and other devices, press this line or click Enter. After that, you need to click a device at the right top. And if you have Windows 10, you will have this button at the top. So press on it, and in this window you need to select Bluetooth. Now open the charging case, and you need to press and hold both of touch areas. So right here we have BELKIN, this one is touch areas, you just press and hold until the LED lights start blinking blue. And we just enter to pairing mode, so we should see them at the device list. Right here we have it. Press on it and then click Done. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.